Yo, man. BG Lee in this bitch, man.
Posted at the spot, I'm tryna get them fucking grams right. Niggas talking crazy like that shit don't come to the light. If you tryna charge to pull up, I got the bulls and white. Told me to slow down cause I move right, not moving right. Nigga move wrong up in broad damn fucking night. Feel like sold my soul to the street, I just can't live right. Tryna get these puppy gon' junk like when it's mixed right. I teach you about that blender, but I'm trapping all night. I can teach you how to break them bowls just like Legos. Trap nigga, I can get it sold by a boatload. 2022 blue stat just like Pringles. I'm a money fiend, I finesse you about your pesos. Solid ass nigga, always stuck to the G code. Can't try me like a yes man fuck nigga, that's a no-go. I flash out and turn to somebody you never seen before. No pills, no drugs, accuracy like Django. Take your bitch, bend over, now it's time to go beast mode. Gotta scratch and run and get pressure, she never felt before. Bet you won't put out in your group chat, little sneaky hoe. Any, mini, money, mo, fuck the hoe, pass her the bro. Posted at the spot, I'm tryna get them fucking grams right. Niggas talking crazy like that shit don't come to the light. If you tryna charge to pull up, I got the bulls and white. Told me to slow down cause I move right, not moving right. Nigga move wrong up in broad damn fucking night. Feel like sold my soul to the street, I just can't live right. Tryna get these puppy gon' junk like when it's mixed right. I teach you about that blender, but I'm trapping all night.